How to see send follow request on Instagram. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram and then go to your profile at the bottom right corner. So go ahead and click on the setting icon and then go to privacy and security. So scroll down and you'll see this data download option. So go ahead and click on request download. So make sure that it is on the HTML format because that's the most easiest to read. And then enter your email and then click on next. So once you do that, you'll get a link on your email to download this information. And once you download it, there will be different folders that contain all your information of your Instagram. So just click on the one that says pending follow request, and then you'll see the list of all the people that you have sent the friend request to. So this is how to see send follow request on Instagram.